What's up, guys? Just got back from a test drive in this 1955 Bel Air. It's got a 283 in it. It's like a vet motor from like a 58 model. They've changed that out. We're gonna do a little walk around. I want to point out any kind of flaws that I see all over it. First off, I want you to jump on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, like us. You can get behind the scenes and see all kinds of videos and pictures of all the new cars coming in. There's a lot of stuff on this lot. You can also check out maplemotors.com for 100 detailed pictures of every car. Financing information, shipping, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, all that's going to be on there. What I'm going to do is walk around this car. I want to point out any kind of flaws that I see. That way you know exactly what kind of car you're coming to get. We do this with every car on the lot. So starting up here in the front, you can tell that they've replaced the front bumper. It's nice and clean. The grill's the same way. It looks nice. Headlight bezels are in good condition. There is a chip right here beside this one. See that in the paint? Kind of cruising the front here. Looking down the side, you can see that trim is in great shape there. Wheels and tires look brand new. American racing wheels. Drum brakes all the way around, but they do stop good. See, a lot of this trim's been replaced. Looks like the seal around the window has been replaced as well. It looks new. The roof's in great shape. Mirrors look pretty good. It definitely looks like an older mirror, but it's not messed up at all. So check the bottoms of the doors. There's a couple little scratch marks down here. Looks like some scratches down there at the bottom too. Nothing major. Some little rock chips. Car's beautiful. Door handle's been replaced as well. See what that is there. It's kind of a stain in the paint. Like the trunk lid's hanging out a little bit in the back. The bumper looks like it's been replaced. Somebody replaced it. The tailpipe's showing signs. A little rust coming back through on the chrome. That looks sweet right there. It's a good picture. Looking too bad around this car. It looks pretty good. If you haven't already, please check out that test drive video. It went really well in this one. Do got a few chips. Looks like a little chip in the window there. Somebody may have touched that up already with a kit. All right, let's go ahead and pop the hood. Check that out. Like I said, a little 283 V8. No power steering. Of course, with a big oversized steering wheel, makes it a lot easier to turn. Still got the generator in here. Very clean under the hood. Before I go to the interior, I'm gonna grab the keys and we're gonna open the trunk up. Got the skirts to go down the sides if you wanted to put those back on. Spare tire, insulation in the trunk. Weather stripping looks nice and new. Look under the mat here. Just kind of check the trunk out. Little surface rust popping up over here on the left. For the most part, that's in good shape. So I do have pictures of underneath the car on my website at maplemotors.com. I really want you to check that out, especially if you're interested in buying a car from us. We're going to make you check it out. We'll send them to you or whatever we got to do. Interior looks great on this. Weather stripping's in good condition all the way around. Bottom of the door. Trim's been replaced. Carpet's been replaced. Looks awesome. Headliner's in great shape. Both of the lights work in the back. Package tray looks pretty good. Seats in good condition. Horn works. Oh, one thing I don't like about the car is the carburetor that's on it. I'd have to upgrade it. The carb that's on it, I've seen a lot of latency problems out of it. Sometimes it loses pressure. So I drove across town. Now I gotta pump the gas again. There she goes. Check the radio out. Radio does work. Blower motor. Blowing nice and strong. There's no AC on this. Do have heat. Your windshield wiper switch. A little stiff, but they work. Speedometer was coming up. It is showing 47,000 miles. Every 100,000 goes back to 0. I can't stand behind the miles. I can show you what's on there, but that's not a guarantee. Cigarette lighter did not work when I tried it. Let's take a step on the outside of the car. Oh, I just barely shut the door here. That's pretty cool. That thing still works up there. Like I said, 283. Nice quiet motor. See what I mean by the carburetor? They're not the best. Got the oil-filled air filter. There's another thing about these carbs, if you just get on it, a little latency. Car does run good going down the road though. You don't notice any of that while driving it. All right, well, hopefully I described this car well enough for you to make a decision. You can also see the test drive video. It went well. Please check out my website, MapleMotors.com, for 100 detailed pictures, financing information. We also have transportation options on there. If you want to talk to somebody on the phone, give us a call, 615-822-4444. I appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, share this video and hit that subscribe button. We post videos like this every single day. We got a lot full of muscle cars, and that's all we deal in. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.